Hello, Mike Marcella, MS Classic Cars. Today's road test, 1969 Camaro. Big block Chevy, all aluminum, 489 cubic inch with a 6-speed. How about that, Corey? Anyway, before we take off, I just want to talk a little bit about the engine. For anybody who doesn't know, Mike's an engine guy. It's been my passion, probably 40 years. I've been lucky to have a great machine shop and a guy that's treated me like his son, and we've done a lot of stuff together. And most people build engines that don't really work on the street. They're more like a drag engine. And whoever built this engine, I just want to say, knew what he was doing. This engine is a street, I call it a street engine, because I like an engine that has a long, broad power band, like a torque peak and then another 2,000 RPMs to get to the peak horsepower. Not that little peaky thing. This one has it, and it's a rocket. It feels faster than something that has more horsepower. Because of that, it is so fun to drive. I just wanted to mention the engine because I really like the way it was built. You can actually get on the throttle at any RPM, and if you push it down, it will, I call it like an acceleration swell. It will pull right to 68, 7,000 like a rocket. So, all right, Corey, not to talk too much about the engine, but it impressed me, I guess, because usually I don't get in a big block and get impressed. It's usually this big torquey thing, and it falls on its face at 5,500, but not this one. Oh yeah, and it's fuel injected on a Holley EFI. I had it running a couple of minutes before, and look at how fast it fired up. This one's really cool, and it's just a cool car. I got used to driving.
Yeah, it's been a little while since you drove.
Well, every one I get in is different. Mochilero. Gotta warm up a little. You just feel that, right? Like, I don't know how to explain it. Most big blocks, I'll use a 572 ZZ crate engine, 620 horse. It's a beast, and then it's all done. This engine is a rocket. And I mean, at 2,000, I can push the gas pedal, and it feels good. At 4,000, it feels good. 5. At 45 to... It's got a good 2,000 RPM power band. That's hard to build sometimes, especially on a big block. You can't get enough cylinder head on it. Plus, it's an all-out big chief head. Maybe the big AFR. How good it runs and drives. 5th, 6th. Unbelievable. Busy today, guys, so I know Mark wants me to show everybody how it goes. I'm gonna get down a little bit. Yeah. It's hard around here today.
Tries real good.
That's what I was thinking. I got caught with this guy in front of me, so nothing I can do. I want to get on it. one of the best running for what it does.
And it rides smooth too.
Oh, car's unbelievable. Because nobody messed with it. It's still a Camaro. Some control arms. I mean, people want to knock leaf springs, and they want to put subframes and 4 links, and when they get it and drive it, you know, try to get on a little bit. So get on the second. As I want to go for it.
She goes.
Oh, it'll go. Friday, it's tough, guys. I don't want to get in trouble and don't want to cause any problems. It's got a power beat. It was going to keep on trucking. I only got it to 6,000. It's got a wicked power band. Yeah, I can. I'm in 5th, 6th, but no bucking. 180, oil pressure, everything. Nothing bothers us. It's been my favorite engine so far. I mean, the supercharged stuff's cool, but it's nothing like a good NA engine. Realistic hope. I mean, it's on a mission. Like, this thing was going to go. Like,
it just wants to keep going.
Just about get the $5 grand in it. It'll just keep. I call it acceleration swell. It's an engine with a long, broad power curve. It is unbelievable. Oops, missed it.
Hello everyone, it's Mark Scholero, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and I thank you for watching this video. MS Classic Cars only specializes in number 1 and number 2 condition, show quality inventory. We truly have something for everyone. We take great pride in servicing and detailing every vehicle that we sell, and we document the work with an invoice. We appreciate it if you follow us on social media, and make sure to sign up for our VIP newsletter. As always, rock and roll.